landing very shortly. Please make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened and your tray tables are closed and locked. All carry-on baggage and electronic devices such as laptop computers or items of similar size should be put away now. If you're
Cabin crews, please be seated for landing.
seated in a first-class cabin, please bring your seat back to an upright position. For guests seated next to a window, please raise your window shades for landing. We look forward to serving you again soon. Mahalo.
We will be landing in Kahului very shortly. At this time, please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened and window shades are raised. Welcome to the Kahului Airport. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. For your continued comfort, but most especially your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items properly stowed until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt signs. All personal electronic devices, including mobile phones, must continue to be turned off or set to airplane mode until arrival at the gate. Before leaving us this afternoon, please check around your seat, the seat pocket in front of you, and in the overhead compartments for any items that you may have brought on board with you. Please use caution when opening these overhead compartments, as items may have shifted during the flight and may fall out. As you leave the aircraft today, please watch your step as there is a slight floor level change. And as always, please refrain from smoking until you are well within a designated smoking area. If you have gate-checked any items, such as a car seat, stroller, or walker, please allow our ground staff a few minutes to retrieve your items. You'll be able to find your items in the jetway just outside of the aircraft door. And if this is your final destination and you have checked in any luggage, you may claim it at the Hawaiian Airlines baggage claim area located on the ground level. Once again, as a reminder, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs have been turned off. On behalf of all of us here at Hawaiian Airlines, but most especially your in-flight crew, it has been our pleasure having you on board today. We would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us, and we look forward to serving you again on another Hawaiian Airlines flight. Mahalo.
And before we bid you our final aloha, we did want to share a special in-flight only promotion. Hawaiian Airlines is proud to introduce the Hawaiian Airlines World Elite MasterCard. If you don't have this MasterCard yet, you can now earn 70,000 bonus Hawaiian miles after your very first purchase of no minimum dollar spend. So as simple as a cup of coffee or a pack of gum, and if approved for the card, you'll receive your 70,000 bonus Hawaiian miles. What those can be redeemed for is up to 5 round-trip flights between our neighbor islands or 2 round-trip flights between Hawaii and any of our 15 U.S. gateway cities on the mainland. The card also offers many other great benefits, to name a few: no foreign transaction fees, 2 free checked bags on every eligible flight, and a one-time 50% off companion discount. Also, just to mention, your miles never expire. Flight attendants will have the applications as you deplane the aircraft today. Be sure and take one. You can also take more than one. These applications are only available on the aircraft, so if you have any friends or family that could benefit from future travel on Hawaiian Airlines, you can feel free to take more than one. Once again, thank you so much for choosing to fly with us, and welcome to Maui.